The document we're editing is displayed here in the page view. This area is fully interactive, letting you visually edit your project. Notice that when you move your mouse over elements, they are highlighted with a green border. A single click on an element selects it, which is shown with a solid blue border. Once an element is selected, you can edit its properties on the right. Be careful not to double-click just yet, as this activates the inline text editor. This is a powerful feature we'll explore in a later lesson. So for now, we'll just click Done to exit. Remember, to select any element on the page, all you need is a single click. When an element is selected, a toolbar appears above it with useful actions. For example, you can easily duplicate an element to create a copy, or of course, delete it. Now let's open the tree panel on the left. This panel shows you the complete HTML structure of your page. Just like the page view, the tree is fully interactive, allowing you to move elements by dragging and dropping them. And don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always use the undo and redo buttons in the top toolbar to reverse your changes. Feel free to experiment and play around. It's the best way to learn. If you ever want to reset the tutorial, just click the restart button. This gives you the option to restart just this lesson or the entire project from the beginning. Great job! You are now familiar with the page view and how to interact with elements. Let's click complete and move on to the next lesson.